So here is the excavator lock. It's called, from the Equipment Lock Company. So if you haven't seen the last video with the ball and pintle hitch lock, this is the second thing that I picked up from them for just a little more security on our excavator. So I picked up 3 of these. So like I said in the other video, key right here, we got them all keyed the same when we ordered them. So that way we don't have to worry about everybody having different keys. Myself and all the guys, my partner, can have the same key and it'll unlock anything. But so just a little extra security to be added to any size excavator. So we are in the Komatsu PC360 right now, but this will go all the way down to mini excavators. So kind of a neat little thing. Something that locks the control levers, drive levers on your machine in opposite directions. So if somebody tried to start the machine, it would just spin in circles. So kind of neat. Obviously, still ways around it, but just an extra layer of security for your equipment if you're concerned about it. So I will show you how it works. So what you want to do is put your controls in opposite directions. Take your lock, slide it on, put this piece underneath, slide it up, push it in, lock it. There you go. In opposite directions. And even if you slide it up, it doesn't go very far. And they're still in opposite directions. You still don't have any control. So it does slide in up and down, but not enough to get them back to center. Then to unlock, take that, take it right off. Pretty simple. There are, see these couple shims in here? So it comes with shims. So what you do is you test fit it, and if it's not fitting snugly enough on your controls, because obviously every manufacturer has different control levers, you can put some of these shims in, which they're just in with some sticky tape, and it'll help close up the gap. So that's something you got to test out before you just lock it on, because actually this one, without the shims, I was able to get the control levers back to center by sliding this all the way back up. So put those shims in and I wasn't able to do that anymore. So something to just check out. Pretty cool.